Assalamualaikum and good morning. In this video, I will show you how to do a literature search using various online database. Okay, the first easiest database that you can explore is using Google Scholar. So you open up the Google tab, type there Google Scholar. Okay, let's enter. So here is the Google Scholar. Click the Google Scholar. Okay. Then you can type all the topics that related to your research, or if you don't have any topic yet, you can go with a keyword. Okay, for example, you like to do with something on sentiment analysis. Okay, so you type there sentiment analysis. Okay, so here is all the paper written by Google Scholar on the sentiment analysis. Okay, so you also can filter the result based on the year of publications. So on the left hand side here, on the left corner here, you can do a custom range. For example, you want the 5 years recent publications, so you can do like 2018 until 2023. So search. So this result written by the Google Scholar is all from the 2018 until 2023. So this is the recent publications on the topic sentiment analysis. Okay, so you also can filter up the topic, narrow down the topic using an operator. For example, plus operator. You want it for like customer feedback. Okay, only sentiment for customer feedback. So put there customer feedback. Okay, so these sentiments, the result written by the Google Scholar is all the articles that related to customer feedback using sentiment analysis. Okay, the more keyword that you type into the search engine, the more specific the result will be. So if you want a more specific result, then you use more keyword in the search text field. Okay. Now we go, let's say we go to the articles. For example, the first article, you want to retrieve the paper. Yeah, we want to read the paper. So we can click on the title here. This is the hyperlink. You can click on the title. You also can see the cited, how many people have cited this paper. So means that the more citation they get, means that they might be more useful to your research. Okay, so this citation is 40 people, 40 articles have cited this paper, cited by 104, cited by 33. So citations also plays an important role to determine the quality of the paper that you are looking into. Okay, so if there are more people citing that paper, means that there might be more useful information that you can get from that particular paper. Okay, for example, I just click on one of it, like for example this paper. Okay, so they will come up with because this paper is on the IEEE database, so they will direct us to the IEEE database. So Google Scholar actually is the is a platform where you can search a paper from different platform, maybe from IEEE, it can be from Scopus, it can be from other databases as well. Okay. But if you want to retrieve the paper specifically, you click on the title just now, they will direct you to the intended database for that particular paper. Okay, for example, this paper actually is published in IEEE, so they will direct you into the IEEE. Okay, so you can read through the abstract through this IEEE. So reading an abstract also is a kind of filtering, because sometimes you don't want to read the whole paper. Okay, so before you read the whole paper, you can narrow down your search or filter your search by reading the abstract. So you just read the abstract, see whether the information you want is in this paper. So abstract actually is the summary of the paper. Okay, so you can read through the paper, read through the summary. So if you think that you want to read further, you read the abstract, you want to read further, then you can also click download the paper. Okay, so in order to download the paper, there are two actually. One is one open access, means that you can directly download the paper. Another one that paper is you need to subscribe. Okay, fortunately, IEEE UITM has subscribed the IEEE database, so you actually can download the paper inside the IEEE from a UITM library website. Okay, for example, if you here click on the IEEE when you want to open your access your full paper, it requires you to have a login ID in order for you to access the credential for you to access. Okay. For UITM, we cannot log in via this particular pop-up. Okay, means that we cannot access through your institution. No. So what we need to do is you can go to library, UITM library website. Okay, so if you're a student, you go to student. Staff, you go to staff. So you can go from this website and look for the library website. Okay, so you log in via your student ID. So you choose the e-resources, UITM library e-resources. Okay, from there you can find various online database that you can access it for free. Means that your ITM has subscribed the particular database. For example, this paper just now is in IEEE, so you click IEEE, go to IEEE Explore, you see that it's logged, okay, but if you log in using your ID, you can access the paper. Okay, so you can type paper just now. The paper is about sentiment. Okay, for example, okay, click it on there, click, okay, search. Okay, now you can see that here they have access provided by UST Technology Mara, means that you now can download the full paper. Okay. So what you need to do is click on the PDF. So here is the paper. So you can download the full paper from your ITM library, online database, e-resources. So here is the full paper. So you can read through the full paper from the IEEE website. Okay. So UITM also have like a Scopus, they also subscribe for Scopus, so you also can go to a Science Direct, you also can go to Scopus website here, down here, okay, from the library, you can go to Scopus website, for example, you click Scopus, so here also, you can type the title, like for example, sentiment analysis, okay, so there will be a result paper on the sentiment analysis in the Scopus database. So you can choose the paper related to your topic. So here also you can filter up a paper from which year until what year. Okay, so you can put it in the range, or you want to specific in 2023 only. Okay, because sometimes when you want to look for problem statement, you need a recent publication, so filter your public search using year, range of year here. Okay, so you also can choose what types of document you want. Let's say you want a conference paper only, or you want like something like a book chapter, or you want something like a journal paper. So you can get it from here, like articles. This is journal, yeah. So you can choose it, you can filter it from the database itself. So This is how actually you get into your literature search for your topic. So bear in mind, you are advised to use more keyword in order to get to more specific result, and also important for you to narrow down your search result. Okay, so that is all about a literature search. Okay, so you can search for your literature from Google Scholar. Okay, that you will get an overview from all of the platform you have, IEEE, Scopus, okay, Science Direct. You can get it from Google Scholar. But sometimes in order for you to get the full paper, it would direct you to the particular database, to the specific databases, and you get the access from the UiTM library website. Okay, so that's all for literature search. So I hope you can get your research better and keep going with your proposal. Thank you very much.